If you're a business owner in the sports event space, you'll know better than anyone just how important it is to have a competitive edge.
Advantage.
But did you know that there's a way to gain an advantage over the competition without putting in that much effort? I'm talking about group accidental injury insurance. It can be an overlooked benefit, but group accidental injury insurance can actually make a real difference for organisations in this space. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Flip Insurance. Flip Insurance provides on-demand group accidental injury cover, specialising in the sports and activity space. It's part of the HCF group and is used by the likes of Tough Mudder, Red Bull and Threadbow to offer some financial protection to customers in case they are injured. So, how does this financial protection for customers translate to a business advantage? Well, let's start with the basics. You're offering more to your customers, so you're strengthening their value proposition. Let's look at Flip as an example. Depending on the injury a customer sustains, they could be eligible to claim up to $50,000 from Flip to help with the costs of recovery or even day-to-day expenses. Building that into your standard offering is a pretty awesome perk, and it provides a slicker experience for your customers. This probably won't come as a shocker, but sporty folk do tend to get injured. By integrating accidental injury insurance into your core offering, you're not only recognising a common problem for your customer base, you're providing a solution. If that's not slick, I don't know what is. And of course, that proactive approach leaves a lasting impression on customers, which brings me to our next point: brand trust and reputation. Ensuring your customers are well protected is a powerful way to communicate that you care about their well-being and see them as more than just a paycheck. Even in the midst of a cost of living crisis, Australian consumers are still prioritising responsible brands. Did you know 80% of Australians think brands should be accountable, and more than half will go out of their way to engage with brands that align with their values? Offering group accidental injury insurance is an opportunity to connect with these socially conscious customers, strengthen your brand, and be seen as an organisation your community can trust. Of course, all of these perks do come at a price, but believe it or not, finding the right policy could actually save you money. Invest some time in comparing group accidental injury insurance providers, and you could find one that saves your organisation significant cash. For example, with Flip Insurance, business owners can pay for cover per person per day, starting from as little as $2. This toggle on, toggle off capability means small business owners can offer a premium perk to their customers without paying a premium price. And last but not least, outsourcing all of this to an expert means you can stay out of the weeds, or should I say, off the rough. You don't have to take on swathes of additional paperwork or admin responsibilities to offer something like this to your supporter base. Again, just looking at Flip as the example, everything is online and fully managed by them. Your customer deals directly with them. It's easy peasy. Now, if you've never considered group accidental injury insurance for your organisation, here's your sign to give it a closer look. It might not be the most sexy or exciting way to gain a competitive edge, but it's one that prioritises your customers' well-being while making business sense. For more great insurance tips for your business, make sure you visit finder.com.au.